Hi, my name is Sia Seya. I'm from Port Elizabeth, originally from here, and I was in Cape Town for 2 years. Been doing this for 2 years basically, and now I'm doing a comedy club here in PE, running it once a month, every last Tuesday of the month. Yeah, here's something I have. As I've said, my name is Siyabulela in full, which means we thank you. My mom gave me that name. She told me she was trying to thank God for having a kid, which I think is a lie. I think she was trying to give me a message to live by. A message that says you must always be thankful to God, no matter how ugly the results may be. But though I grew up nice though. You know, she used to tell me I'm good looking, I'm handsome. I grew up thinking I look like Sean. You know, Sean from Boys to Men. The guy steps on a song and say, "Hi, my name is Sean." And the women go, "Sean." I thought that was going to happen to me. It never did. I stepped to a girl like, "Hi, my name is Sia." She goes like, "Sia." Yeah, we had a big accident last year, 2009. We lost a legend. We lost Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson passed away. And the thing is, they were selling tickets to his funeral. They were selling tickets to his funeral. I know here in South Africa we have a Xhosa radio station dedicated to announcing these funerals. You know, I think they should do that here. Sell tickets to funerals. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be, but we're not Michael Jackson. Nobody knows you. They'll complain about a ticket to come to this funeral, and they are serving irrostil. No cold drinks, no coke. It's hectic.